Okay, last video we understood what is deadlock. Now let us try to fix the issue using reentrant lock. Correct. I already explained you what is reentrant lock. You can watch the previous shots. Now let us try to focus on this one. I just modified the previous code using this reentrant lock. The behavior is kind of still the same. So this is our critical section. Before the start of critical section, I applied this lock on this lock one and I am releasing it once it is done. Same thing I have done with this lock 2 as well. We are trying to acquire a lock. So this was basically done with the help of synchronized lock. Now I just modified it with the help of this reentrant lock. Now when you try to run the code, the behavior is still same. Okay, so thread 1 got lock 1, thread 2 got lock 2, thread 1 is waiting for lock 2, and thread 2 is basically waiting for lock 1. Correct. So the code is still running and it is just kind of a deadlock situation because either of the thread must release the lock, but both threads are just holding and waiting for the other CSS to get acquired. Okay, so to fix this we have something called tryLock. Okay, let me stop this one, and instead of this lock we can use the tryLock method. Okay, so we notice that there is this tryLock inside here. We just have to provide how long we want to wait other threads to try them out. Okay, to try them to acquire this lock. Okay, so I can give here time unit as seconds. We have a lot of other time units as well here. So I just trying to wait for 1 second. If we unable to lock them, so threads can try other things. Okay, so let me modify the code. So I modified the code. Now instead of this lock, I use this tryLock method. Okay, this basically returns boolean. We notice that it is a boolean kind of thing. So if any particular thread cannot acquire the lock within this timeout, whatever the timeout that we have mentioned, then we can enter in else condition and we can perform the different task. Okay, so that's how we can use this one. When we try to run this, I replaced in all the places. Okay, so you can notice it. Now when we try to run this code, we notice that the behavior is kind of different now. So thread 2 got lock 2, thread 1 got lock 1, thread 1 could not acquire this lock 2. Now thread 2 basically this also could not acquire the lock 1. Okay, so that's how the behavior is basically we can notice, and we are basically avoiding this deadlock situation. We can use here semaphore as well. There is this method called acquire, try acquire. Okay, you can try out that method, and that with the help of that also we can fix the issue.